Alright, let's take a look at some chart action for AMC. If you like watching technical analysis videos, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I'm looking at AMC right now, and I think that we're starting to break to the upside again. And I'm thinking about kind of riding that momentum. Let's take a kind of look at what kind of happened. We were riding this trend line moving up. We got rejected right here. And then we broke this trend line and moved down big time. So right now we've kind of been just trading in this triangle pattern like this, and right here you can see that we were breaking out. So what I'm kind of targeting is maybe just a small little target of something like this, bring this to the upside, and we got a target of something like that, maybe around 12.26. So if you do 12.20 from right here to 12.26, we got about 13%, 14%. And let me tell you some reasons why I think I can expect this. I mean, besides that triangle pattern, I just think we're looking good right now because on the last video, I talked about this 4-hour time frame and how we had this moving average and we actually got rejected on it right here. So we got pushed down and we actually got support right on this trend line, and we got this huge bounce today and it just totally broke out of this trend line and broke this 4-hour moving average. And I was also talking about this on my last video, the daily. We got this daily moving average like this, and we broke right here to the downside. And since we broke right there, it just had this sideways downward motion, and we were catching support on this big trend line. If you go out, let's see if we zoom out, you can see we had support right here and right here. So this is holding good support still. So I think we're looking bullish again. All right, so the other thing I wanted to show you is if we go to this weekly time frame, let me just clear everything out for now. You can see that this moving average was supporting us the whole time. It's been supporting us ever since we broke out right here and got that big huge pump up. But there's one other thing that you want to look at. We got this 180 moving average coming in right here. What I'm thinking is right now we're about to break through it to the upside, and it seems like every time we break it we actually get resistance. But I'm thinking if we can break through it, this is going to be a big move up. So I'm planning on putting in an order right here. I think this actually looks pretty good. We got this uptrend going something like this, but we also have some sort of like a downtrend coming in like this. We really won't know if we're going to start moving big until we break this one, but it is starting to look like that. And I'm thinking to put in an order right here, see if we could get to this target right here, somewhere along the way, put in a stop loss, wait to break this, and then maybe get more aggressive. However, in the bearish scenario, we also could be getting rejected at this 180 moving average though. So I am still kind of not 100% sure. So it's still going to be like a small position. All right, basically, so what I'm thinking is if you go into the 1-hour time frame, we're above the moving average. That looks good. If you go into the 4-hour time frame, we're above the moving average, and that looks good. Excellent. If you go into the daily time frame, we just broke above that daily moving average. Excellent. If you go into this weekly moving average, we've been getting support on that 9 moving average this whole time. Super excellent. The one thing I'm watching though is that this 180 moving average is giving us some craziness. So like I said, not sure if it's going to break to the upside. I'm going to hedge my bets and say that we're going to the upside and put in a small order, and let's see what happens. All right, so we're on the 5-minute time frame right now, and let's kind of wait to see what kind of order we can get. I am thinking that we're actually pushing down a little bit. I'm wondering if we should put in maybe a limit order, or oh yeah, there's that 180 moving average. All right, so this doesn't look like a bad time to put in an order. It's on that 180 moving average, looks pretty decent. Let's do it. All right, so we're on AMC. Let's go to market order. Let's do a market order to buy AMC, 21.22. Okay, buy. All right, so there it is. All right, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.